Hey everybody, it's Carlo. We got some big news we want to share with you guys. We're actually moving. We're excited about it. This is a place that we've found finally after 4 different locations and 9 years in business. And we're excited about it. The only problem is it's a dump. Let me show you around. All right, so we're going to show you the warehouse. We're inside the warehouse right now. This is a place that has been a shutter business for over 25 years. And as you can imagine, there is just a lot of sawdust in here. Let me show you. See this here? We've got about 25 years of just sawdust. What a mess. Okay, this is our warehouse. It's going to be used for our contents restoration division. So anytime after a fire, water damage emergency, or any other property damage emergency, we'll bring the contents in here for processing and restoration. This warehouse will be equipped with our restoration equipment, which will include everything to deodorize, to clean, and to store contents after they've been restored. All right, here we are, day 1. The cleanup begins. I'm going to put my mask on, and we're going to get this thing started right now. Any volunteers? Okay, so we're in the offices now, and we're going to show you behind me the reception area, which we're getting built now. And then as you move towards this side, you can see our workspaces that are getting built now. We're excited about this place. We're just not too thrilled about the red color on the walls. So, and you love surprises, we can't wait to show you what this place is going to look like at the end. So as you can see, we're all excited about these changes to better serve you.